everyone, I have another shelf-stable meal for you today that you can put in your 72-hour kit or just in your pantry in case you have unexpected guests like I have today. My family is over for lunch. We just spent the day at the beach and the pool, and I'm throwing together a quick meal for us for our lunch, and hopefully it'll be a great tip and a great resource for you guys. I'm using this Simply Balanced mix from Target. When you're using mixes in your preparedness kits, you want to make sure you watch the sodium content. This one is pretty reasonable in sodium content, and you also want to look for cooking time, because if you're using limited fuel, you don't want something that's going to take 30 minutes to cook that has maybe dried beans that take a long time to cook. This one does not have dried beans, so the cooking time is only about 15 to 20 minutes. This one does call for water, 8 cups of water. So when you're making your kit, you need to make sure that you've prepared for extra water in case you have something like this that needs to be rehydrated. You need to factor in the water needs with your water storage. I'm going to use instead unsalted broth. If you replace water with broth in a soup mix, you need to make sure you use unsalted, or you're going to get double duty in your sodium content, sodium count. So make sure to keep your eye on that. I'm using canned chicken for the protein. The recipe on the back of the soup mix calls for a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm using 20 ounces of canned chicken. Some of that is just the broth that is packed in, so it'll probably equal out to about the same amount of chicken breasts in this recipe. You could also beef it up with maybe some other canned vegetables or beans or diced tomatoes if your family is interested in adding that to their soup as well. So we'll give it a shot and tell you how it turns out. Time for taste test. Okay, my sweet precious niece Victoria is gonna get a little scoop here. We added a can of black beans because it just smelled so delicious, and it seemed like black beans would be perfect. What do you say?
That's good.
Really great. Okay, all right guys, another shelf-stable supper from the Autry crew. Hope you have a great afternoon and are enjoying your summer. See ya.